Hello children, welcome to Mathematics online classes. In today's video from Mathematics subject, quadratic equations topic we are going to continue. So here children, so in our previous videos, we have completed this basic concept. Up to here, all these concepts we have finished. So sum and product of roots to construct quadratic equation. Up to here, all these concepts we have already finished children. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the topic equation reducible to quadratic equations. Means the given equations, if they are not quadratic equations, but still if we are able to reduce them to quadratic equations, then how to solve them. That concept we are going to learn in this video. One minute, children. So here, so the concept is, so equations reducible to quadratic equations in this type 1, case 1. So if the equation is in the form of this ax power 4 plus bx square plus c equal to 0, means here the highest degree is 4. Highest degree is 4. It's not quadratic. It's not quadratic, but can be reduced. But can be reduced to quadratic. How means? In the place of x square, if you keep y, we have ax power 4 here, but x power 4 can be written as x square whole square plus bx square plus c equal to 0. If you write like this, and in the place of x square, if you keep y, a into y square plus by plus c equal to 0. C equals to 0. Suppose, though it is not in quadratic equation form, but it can be reduced to quadratic equation by assuming like this, x square equal to y. By assuming x square equal to y. So after writing like this, we can solve like a normal quadratic equation and we can get the values of y, and we have assumed that x square equal to y. After finding the value of y, we can find x in an easy manner. So this is type 1 children. Let's see the some examples here. Example 22. So solve the following equations. X power 4 minus 26x square plus 25 equals to 0. The given equation is not quadratic, but we are assuming x square equal to y. The given equation is x power 4 minus 26x square plus 25 equals to 0. X power 4, we can write it as x square whole square plus 26x square plus 25 equal to 0. In the place of x square, if we substitute y, it will become y square. This is the here minus children, minus 26y plus 25 equal to 0. Now the given equation is reduced to quadratic equation. After doing that, by any one of the methods, like factorization method, or completing the squares method, or quadratic formula method, by using any one of the methods, we can make it factorize and we can make it solve. So here, so the middle term is minus 26 and product of AC, here A is 1. If we simplify it due based on factorization method, the value of AC is 1 into 25 to be split into two terms, so that middle term equals to, if we add these two terms, middle term equals to minus 26. We have to take two terms whose product is 25 and whose sum is minus 26. So we can take minus 25 minus 1 as two numbers. So that product is 25 and sum is minus 26. So the middle term is split into minus 25y minus y. So first two terms as one group. If we take y as common, in y square y will be remaining. In 25y, 25 will be remaining. Here there is nothing common in next two terms. So we can take minus common and we can take 1 common. Here y will remain. As we are taking minus common, symbol will change. Plus will turn into minus 25 equals to 0. If we compare these two terms, y minus 25 is common. So y minus 25 is common. So y minus 1 will remain. So product of these two factors equal to 0 means either first term equal to 0, first factor equal to 0, or second factor equal to 0. So if minus 25 comes towards RHS, it will become y equal to 25 or y equal to 1. But we have to find x value because the given equation is an x term. The given equation is defined in terms of x, not y. For our convenience, we have assumed x square as y. After finding the y value, we have to find x value also. We got y equal 25, which means x square equal 25. But 25 can be written as plus or minus 5 whole square, plus or minus 5 whole square. Square gets cancelled. X equal to plus or minus 1. And y equal to 1 means x square equal to 1. Or x square equal to plus or minus 1 square. Square gets cancelled. X equal to plus or minus 1. So the x values are plus or minus 5 or plus or minus 1. So roots are plus or minus 5 or plus or minus 1. As the degree of expression is 4, it will be having 4 roots, plus 5, minus 5, plus 1, minus 1. These 4 are the roots of the given equation. So the given equation, though it is not in the form of quadratic equation, we can reduce it to quadratic equation and we can solve it in the same manner as we have done in earlier methods. So second example is there, children. So second example is there. In the same manner, you can note down the procedure and you can do it as a homework, children. So as we have done in the first example, in the same manner you are having the second example. That also you can try at your home. Next, children. So now we have type 2 equations. Type 2, children. So here equations of the form px plus q by x plus r means one x term, one by x term. Here we are having 1 by x term and x term. So it is not in the form of quadratic equation, but we have to reduce it to quadratic equation, or we have to change it. Here reduce it to means we have to change it to quadratic equation, then we have to solve in the normal methods as we have used earlier. So here we have to remove by x here. For that, what we can do, we have to multiply it with x so that this by x will be removed. But if we do so, the value will change. We cannot multiply only the one term. We have to multiply all the terms present on the LHS, present on the RHS with the same number. So value of the given equation does not change. So multiply each term by x, each term by x. That is first step. After that, we will get a quadratic equation. We have to solve it to get the non-zero values of x. To get the values of x, we have to solve it by using any one of the method we have learned earlier. We have two examples here, children. So I am doing the second one here. So first one you can do it as a homework. Second one I am going to explain now. So first one, children, you can take a screenshot or you can note it down. Later you have to do it as a homework. Second one, I'll explain now. So the equation is 3y plus 5 by 16y equal to 2. So first we have to remove this variable in the denominator, because in the denominator if you have any variable, then it is not a quadratic equation. To remove this y, we have to multiply all the terms with y. So 3y into y plus 5 by 16y into y equal to 2 into y. 3y into y, 3y square, y gets cancelled, 5 by 16 equal to 2y, or 3y square, 2y square, y square will come towards left hand side, minus 2y plus 5 by 16 equal to 0, plus 5 by 16 equal to 0. Or if we take LCM, LCM will be 16, 16 3 times 48y square, 16 2 times 32y, 16 1 is 16, 1 into 5, 5 equal to 0. Or 16 into 0, it will become 0. So what we will get, children? 48y square minus 32y plus 5 equals to 0. Equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation we have got. So now, by factorization method, let's try to solve it. AC, A value is 48, C value is 5. Product of AC is 5 8 times 40, 5 4 times 20, 240. We have to divide it into two terms such that their sum is equal to middle term, which is minus 32. Which is minus 32. So if you take 12 into 20, 12 into 20, 240. But we need minus 32. So we can take minus 12 minus 20. So the product will be plus 240. Sum will be minus 32. Minus 32. So let's split the middle term minus 32y into minus 12y minus 20y. So here 48 means 4 into 12. 4 into 12. So here also 12 is there. If we take 12 common and 1y common, in 48 4 will be remaining. In y square, y will be remaining. Minus 12 taken common, y taken common, nothing will be remaining there. So we can keep 1. We can keep 1. Next two terms. Next two terms. So in 20, we can write it as 5 into 4. In 20, we have 5. So 5 is common here. So if you take 5 common and minus common, 5 4 times 20, 4 will be remaining. Y will be remaining. Because of minus symbol will change. Minus will come. 5 1 is 5. 5 1 is 5 equals to 0. And again, in these two terms, 4y minus 1, 4y minus 1 is common. Here 12y is remaining. Here minus 5 is remaining. So product of two factors equal to 0 means first factor equal to 0 or second factor equal to 0. So 4y equal to 1 or 12y equal to 5 or y equal to 4 comes this side, 1 by 4, or y equal to 12 comes this side, 5 by 12. So y values are 1 by 4, 5 by 12. 1 by 4, 5 by 12. In the equation also, we have y only. So we have got y values. We have got the y values. Okay, children. This is type 2 method. Next, children, we have type 3. So, type 3 equations means equations involving one radical. Equations involving one radical. Radical means the numbers present inside the radical sign, like square root, cube root, like that. They are called as radicals. They are called as radicals here. Means under root we have a minus x square equal to bx plus c. If the given equation is in this form, then how to simplify them? So first we have to remove this radical sign. For that, as we have square root here, if we do square on both sides, then this root will be removed. But if we do on one side, value will change. Means LHS and RHS, on both sides we have to do the square. So if you do like that, so left side square root will be removed, right side square will come extra. Now we have to simplify using algebraic identities, using the formulas. We have to simplify it, then we have to solve it. This is the method. So we are having one example question here, children. So solve root x plus 2x equal to 1. So root x plus 2x equal to 1. We have a square root, one term. In one term, we have the variable under radical sign, under square root. So we have to remove this square root. So what we will do, except this radical term, remaining terms we will take on one side. So this 2x, we will send it to RHS part. Then root x equal to 1 minus 2x. This we will get. Now if we do square on both sides, root x whole square equal to 1 minus 2x whole square. This we will get. To remove this square root, we have to do square on both sides. So root and square gets cancelled, x will remain on LHS. On right hand side, 1 minus 2x whole square means it is in the form of a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So in the place of a we have 1 here, 1 square means 1, minus 2ab, 2 into 1 into 2x, minus 4x, and plus b square means minus 2x whole square, 4x square. We will get this one. So if we take x this side, so 1 plus 4x square minus 4x minus x equal to 0. X square term we write first, minus 4x minus x. We are having minus 5x. After that we will write constant term equal to 0. So but we have to solve it. So the middle term is split into minus 4x and x, so that product equal to AC and sum equal to B. Then we can take common like we have done in earlier methods. Here from these two, 4 is common, 1x is common, 4x is common. In x square, 1x will remain. This 4x went out, only 1 will remain. In next two terms, nothing common, minus 1 we can take a common. X will remain, symbol will change, minus 1 will remain. Again x minus 1 common, 4x minus 1 will remain. So x minus 1 equal to 0 or 4x minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 1 or x equal to 1 by 4. So like this, we can reduce the given equations into general form, quadratic equation form, and we can find their solutions. If the given expression is having highest power as 4, equation is having highest power as 4, fourth degree equation, then we can assume x square equal to y and we can solve the problems. That is type 1. In type 2, if we have 1 by x, to remove that by x, we can multiply all the terms with x and we can turn it into quadratic equation and we can solve the equation so obtained. In type 3, if there is any radical involved, by squaring on both sides, we can remove that radical sign and we can convert into normal quadratic equation and we can solve the problem. Okay children, that's all for today. So thank you for watching our video children. Have a good day.